Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping My Life in Order. Today's video, guys, we are going to straighten up my garage. It looks so awful in here. I'm telling you guys, everything is just every freaking where. I'm not going to be really doing any organized, you guys. We're just going to straighten up and clean up so it can look a little bit better. But my garage area is like, I don't know. I do have future plans of getting it organized and maybe getting some more shelving or just doing something. But, you know, this has just become a catch-all and I just want to straighten it up. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. All right, before I get started with tackling the garage, I'm just going to go ahead and, put a load of laundry that's in the dryer. I know I had been doing some washing today, and then we're going to go ahead and get started. One thing I'm going to do with my garage area is I'm going to purchase me some of those clear tubs because we normally just store, I don't have a lot of storage place on the inside of my home, so we can just keep stuff like clothes, fall, winter clothes, and I got a Christmas tree over here that needs to be in a good container. So my future goal is to definitely get some of those clear containers, and that'll help a whole lot with organizing. All right, you guys, here's the final result. I'm glad it looks a whole lot better than what it was looking. At least we got some walk space. So you guys, thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.